scary lion sleeping. There was a mouse coming over and thought it was asleep. So the mouse was trying to wake him up. But still, the lion didn't wake up. Then came over the monkey to wake the lion up. Also, he thought the lion was dead. But still, the lion didn't wake up. Then the monkey called the wolf to wake up the lion. Oh, did the lion wake up right now? Now, let's go to the big deep ocean. In the big deep ocean, there is a big contest of which animal was the biggest. The first animal to say that he was the biggest was the frog, and he said, "I am the biggest." Then came over the platypus, and he said, "No, I am the biggest." The other animal, as the sea, came over and said, "None of you guys are the biggest. I am." At last, the really biggest animal came, as the whale. Now I'm finished with the animal world. Let's go home. When you go to a new home, who's welcoming you? Have you ever driven an Audi? I'm going to drive one. Oh, the car's not starting. Oh, it did start. Oh, I didn't see the stop sign.